Hi, this is a review of the compressport Racing V 2.1 socks. These are a compression sock. I'm not a compression wearing person, so this is the first compression thing I've ever owned. But they're great. They're really good. They're an excellent sock. I got these for $20 from Chain Reaction, $20 Australian from Chain Reaction Cycles. As you can see, they've got dots all over them of sort of this elasticy material. What I like about them is they seem to, well, apart from the colours, they look really good. They're quite supportive, particularly around your plantar region. So if you had plantar fasciitis, if that's how you pronounce it, I think these would be really good socks. But so I've just worn them for two runs, two quite long runs. So for me, 10k and a 12k run. They were extremely comfortable, and I don't know if they're supposed to help with your Achilles, but I have Achilles problems, and a little bit of, and they seem to, after I did the runs, I had no problems with my Achilles. So I don't know whether it's just I've healed up or starting to heal up, but they seem to help. One thing to keep in mind is when you get them, they're left and right sizes. But they come in quite specific sizes, T1, T2, T3 and T4, and when you get them you need to read the size of, so these were T3, so they're a 42 to 44. I wear a 41 and a half, and I'll pull these on and you can see that they're quite tight, which I suppose is probably normal for compression gear, but initially I thought, oh no, I've got the wrong size socks. But so when you put them on, very comfortable. Colour goes well with the hockers, the blue hockers. So I guess the things I liked about them is they stay up really well. They look great. Actually, I wore them to the pub one night with my hockers. They look great. They look really good. They seem to reduce blisters, and for about $20, I reckon they're probably the best socks I've had in a long time. What do you think, mate? You like the socks? I think he does. I think he likes the socks.